Hello, guys, and welcome to the first episode of uh, Arduino programming. In this video, I am going to teach you the basics of Arduino and how to install it. So, for installing the Arduino software, go to your browser and type Arduino IDE, and then click on the first link which you see. And after you click the link, it will show the latest version of Arduino IDE. Click on your uh, operating system. Minus OS, so I'll click on that and click on just download and open. So the installer is getting downloaded. It will take a little bit time as per your internet speed. So now click on I agree, and then you can choose this, but I'm doing for only myself, so let's click on next. And then if you want to change the location of the file, then you can change it, but I'm gonna leave it to default, so I'm gonna just click on install, and then it'll install. It'll take a while as per your internet speed. So now after it's done, click on finish. So now it will open. It'll take a while. So it will not come like this. It For you it would probably come like a plain sketch, but for me I have already done some code in this, so it's coming like that. So I'll get a plain sketch like this, and then um, first I'll show you how to connect your Arduino Uno. You're gonna click on this, and then it would not already be connected. um, I'll just remove it and show it to you. So yeah, and then you can click on it, and you just um, tell what board you have. I have Uno, and then the port it is in, and then click on OK. So mine is already connected. So first we'll see what does this code mean. What does this already set up code mean? So first of all, we'll talk about what is the meaning of void. Void is used. It's a keyword that should be used when declaring um, a function. So if you know Python, then you will know that for Python, if you want to create a function, you will use def and the function name. The same way, you will use void instead of def, and then followed by the name of the function. So here the name of the function is setup. So um, in this setup function, if you write the code, it will execute only once, and then you should write the code within these curly brackets. If you write it somewhere like on top here, for example, it will not work. Or if you write it somewhere like here, it would not work because it's not within this curly bracket. And then void loop, if you write code here, it will run repeatedly. It will run in a loop, and then the same thing, you should write the code within these brackets. And then another important thing is, if you write any code, this I'm using it for an example. I'm using it as an example. So after you write something, after you complete writing a code, then you should always put semicolon. Otherwise, it will throw an error. And this line I will teach you in the coming videos. Don't worry about this line for now. Just remember that after every line of code you write, you should put a semicolon. And then, for example, you want to write that this is an LED, but you want to write this like this thing is an LED. But if you write just like this LED, then the then if I try to run it, it will throw an error saying that LED was not declared in the scope. It's thinking LED is something else. It's a part of the code, but it's actually not a part of the code. Then you can just put double slash. Then it is called as comments. If you use that, then the compiler will just ignore this line and skip that line and move on. It will just skip this LED part. Now if I run it, it just it just um, did it. No error has been shown. So that was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Share this video to people who are interested in Arduino programming. And then after this series, I will upload videos of Arduino in hardware. Like I will even show how to do some projects in Arduino Uno. Um, and then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye.